Our political showdown has exploded after the publisher of former Army Chief Narwane has come out and said that the book titled 4 Stars of Destiny has not been published anywhere, neither digital nor print. Remember, just in the last 2 weeks, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha quoted this exact book and excerpts from it were read in the House, in the Parliament, which the BJP objected, the speaker objected, claiming that the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha cannot read from an article, from a book which has not been published anywhere. The BJP objected to the speech of Rahul Gandhi, after which the Congress claimed that the voice of opposition is being muzzled by the people in power or the treasury benches. But now the publisher has claimed that it is a copyright infringement. Trouble, remember, is already mounting, with Delhi police also taking cognizance of a pre-print copy of the controversial book 4 Stars of Destiny. This book has been authored by General Manoj Narwane. Being circulated online is one thing that the Delhi police is also probing. The special cell had registered a case and taken up investigation into the purported leak of the copy. It was also reported that necessary clearance for publication of the book was yet to be received from the relevant authorities. And now the publisher coming in, let's also take exactly what the publisher, Penguin, has said. No copies of book published or sold. Big statement coming in from the publisher of the book. Any copies circulated are illegal. Remember, this is the copy that was shown by leader of opposition in the House. Copies circulating violate copyright, and infringement is what the publisher is claiming. No copies in print or digital have been published, sold or available. This will act against unauthorized dissemination. Remember, this is the same book that was showed in the Parliament, with the copy being in the hand of none other than but leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Let's also listen in to what my colleague Padmaja Joshi said when she was decoding it.
In fact, a very detailed statement has been put out by the publisher Penguin Random House, and just to bring our viewers up to speed with the exact contents of that statement, it says, in light of recent public discourse and media reporting, Penguin would like to clarify that we hold the sole publishing rights for the book, a memoir by General Manoj Mukund Narwane. We wish to make it clear that the book has not gone into publication, Rahisha. No copies of the book in print or digital form have been published, distributed, sold or otherwise made available to the public by Penguin Random House. Any copies of the book currently in circulation, in whole or in part, whether in print, digital, PDF or any other format, on any platform constitutes an infringement of our copyright and must immediately be seized. We shall be exercising remedies available in law against the illegal and unauthorized dissemination of the book. Now, this is very, very important, keeping in mind that you had Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition, showing a copy of that book, which he said is in publication in other countries, in countries other than India. You had Priyanka Gandhi saying that it can be bought off Amazon. But the fact is that now the publisher itself has said that it has not gone into publication, and any copies that are circulating in hard form, in hard copy or online are illegal and unauthorized, which means that any copy which is being shown in public is not by the publisher. Penguin has made it absolutely clear.
Now, this statement coming in from Penguin, remember, this book was sent to Penguin. Now, this book is pending its clearance from the Ministry of Defence. This book was authored by General Narwane, but now that the Ministry of Defence hasn't given a clean sheet to the book, the publisher has not yet published it. But in between this whole publishing and non-publishing dilemma, the publisher is saying that no copy is available, be it digital or print. Then how come the copy of the book is available with leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi? The book has been flashed, the book has been read. It is inside the Parliament that all this drama unfolded while the leader of opposition was given a chance to speak in the Parliament. Remember, after this speech was halted, objected by none other than Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, all of them objected, claiming that it is a rule inside the Parliament that a person cannot refer or read to an article which is not yet published or not available in the public domain. But see this visual on your screen. This is the book which the publisher, Penguin, is yet to publish. Then how come it is available in the public domain? How is leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, holding it, flashing it, quoting from it? Remember, as per a certain rule in the parliament, no member of parliament can read or quote an article from an unpublished work. If it is published, it is well within their rights to read it and quote from it and question the government. But so far, the whole fiasco happened while he was quoting from this book, which the publisher now says that it is not published.